It's kind of like my personal journal that nobody else knows but can read every day, sort of thing. When I opened 920 and was looking for things to put into my store, I wanted a candle in the store. And as I was looking around at different candle companies, I couldn't find exactly what I wanted. So I kind of got that drive in me that I could do it myself, and I did. And I called it burnt. You know, when, spies are found out, they call it burnt. When a friend, hurts you or stabs you in the back, you get burned. That's kind of where it comes from. All of my candle names have some sort of significance behind them. Most of the candles are named after a specific person or event or feeling that I've had over the past. My #1 selling candle 4 years running is Ship-Faced. It is a blend of plum, amber, and vanilla. It's a very clean scent. My dad loved boating, loved boats, and that's why I named the candle Ship-Faced. When I blend scents together, it takes a lot of testing, a lot of notebook writing, which is so funny because I failed science. So I have tons of notes with scents and scent combinations and formulas and math and, yeah. So that's what's going on in the burnt world.